Good morning, loves. Welcome back to another video. I wanted to end this Cancun trip series with a day to night routine using Youth to the People Youth Systems mini essential kits that are all travel size and perfect to take on vacation. Now, this kit is super cool because it comes with an AM to PM daily skincare ritual for those like myself who has never used products like this before, and a customized youth system preference for extra hydration, balance, and sensitivity. It also has a daily mindful ritual to tap into your intentions to start your day and a ritual to log out at the end of your day. To start, I'll be using the Superfood Cleanser. It's a gel-like consistency that helps prevent pore buildup. It has kale, which has vitamin C, E, and phytonutrients, green tea, which is an anti-inflammatory, and spinach, which helps with soothing of the skin. Next is the Resurfacing Energy Facial. This facial is advised to be used twice a week, but for me, I only used it once a week to avoid irritation since it was my first time exfoliating my face. How can I get with you? I mainly applied the facial onto the corners of my nose and chin because I have whiteheads and the micro exfoliants helps with that. This facial also breaks down dead skin and leaves your skin looking smoother and softer. There is no one else I think of more than you. For serum, I used the 15% vitamin C clean caffeine energy serum. This serum is lightweight, leaving your skin brighter. It helps reduce hyperpigmentation and evens the skin tone. For moisture, I'll be using the Superfood Air Whipped Moisture Cream. This lightweight whipped cream restores balance and conditions the skin. contains kale and green tea like the cleanser, and it also contains hyaluronic acid. To end, I use the Sun Bum SPF 50 lotion. Now I know that the Sun Bum has a moisturizer sunscreen specifically for the face, but I left my sunscreen at home and I did not want to only protect my body and not my face. So I took a little bit and applied it onto my face. It did not leave a white cast and left a nice glow to my face and body. As you know, my lips got a tan on this trip, and I didn't even know that it was possible. But I discovered that the Sun Balm has a SPF 30 sunscreen lip balm, so best believe I'll be purchasing that for my next trip and adding it to my next routine. Buenas noches, loves. It is now time for bed and time for a nighttime routine using the remaining youth system kit. For the nighttime routine, I will be using some of the same products used in the morning, such as the Superfood Cleanser and Moisture Cream. For my nighttime routine, I wish I had the Super Berry Cleansing Balm to double cleanse and really break down the makeup, but the cleanser still did a great job in removing my makeup alone. Sitting up in my room. Sitting up in my room. I'm crazy over you. How do you want me down? Tell me where to start. I have all covered. How can I get with you? Sitting up in my room. Sitting up in my room. After using the Superfood Moisture Cream, I used the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Oil. This oil leaves your skin hydrated and soft and glowing. Just like the name, it speaks for itself. Even though I only use this at night, you can also use this during the day. It's super lightweight and has hints of fruity scents. Last but not least, to complete my routine, I use the Super Berry Dream Eye Cream. This cream hydrates around and underneath your eye and helps with fine lines and wrinkles. Gently massage the cream around your bone under your eye, the edge of your eye, and the temple. And there you have it, loves, my full day to night routine while on vacation. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the fam. Trust that you will love it here. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next one. Later, loves.